Let's use Genie plus lightning lanes to plan our evening. In this example you just scanned into Smuggler's Run. This unlocks Genie Plus to allow for another lightning lane selection. Look for a late return time for a ride you have not already used a lightning lane. In this example you book your group for a 5:55 p.m. Indiana Jones return time. This starts a 2-hour hold in Genie Plus. Set a 2-hour timer on your phone. After Smuggler's Run, stroll through Galaxy's Edge and go ride other rides in the standby line. At 2:45 p.m., Genie Plus will unlock for another lightning lane selection. You spot a 10:25 p.m. Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railroad. Book it so you can walk from the back of the park to the gate in the late evening before close. Set a 2-hour timer on your phone to book a lightning lane to fill out the rest of your evening. Be sure to like and